What up, all? Boiler kicked on, pump however did not, but that could be because the pump is not getting juice. So let's see, let's test it with the hot stick because the relay might not have kicked on yet for the pump. So, power going over, there's power coming out of the pump right here, it's not on. Tell you what, we're gonna bang out this. I'm gonna kick this back off, and I'm gonna turn the breaker back off and just check that relay over there with the meter. So you guys give me a sec here, and we're back. Boiler fired up. We just didn't get the pump on. We gotta figure out why. We know that our juice over here is good. Everything off, make sure everything's off. Yes, everything's off. Transformer's not getting power, good.
A few moments later.
Pump's running. We have water flow, and that's what we were lacking. So we're just gonna make a quick round through the building here, make some rounds, just to verify. I bled the system while I was here before I realized the pump coupler was failed. So I changed the coupler. That's the first half of this video. Obviously, ran into the issue after changing the coupler and realized that this control center was burned out. So I tested the pump, made sure the pump was still good, and then went and picked up the relay And now we are gonna do a second go around to make sure that now water's moving. It's also pushing any air in the system around. So we wanna do a second go around to bleed the rads, all the baseboards. We got some booster coils in this place, in this circuit, so we're gonna check everything. And we're not getting any readings on our carbon monoxide. Thanks for checking us out. Fan control center and pump coupler repair. RM HVAC. I'm Rue. Thanks for checking me out. Stay tuned. Peace.